So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe. Smash us a like. Your support is much appreciated. So let's crack on with the rest of the video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove dents on any uPVC products. Now, to complete this task, all you'll need is a heat gun, various grades of sandpaper and a spray bottle with some water in for the wet and dry sandpaper. Okay, right, I've been asked to fit a trim over this section of this window. Now, typical building site, trim, it's just been stored. Sometimes you get the good bits of scratches, sometimes you get a good piece. Really struggling, so as you can see, some nasty dents in this trim. So, easiest way and the best way to remove these dents is heat them up, and I'll show you how it's done. Now, what I'm going to use is this heat gun. Now, what you find with these sort of dents is if you heat them up, there's a memory that's actually in the uPVC, so it actually lifts the dents out and they get back to normal. And this same applies, even though this is just a plastic trim. The same applies if you've got a dent on any part of any uPVC window. This method will remove these dents very effectively and quite quickly, as you'll see. Very carefully, don't focus too much heat in just one area. Slowly move it left to right. As you can see, the dents are gradually starting to lift out. As you can see, there's still a little bit of unevenness of that, a couple of still little bumps in there. But again, as you can see, the majority of the damage has lifted right the way back up. So with a series of sandpapers with a sanding pad, from 180 to 240 to 320 and a bit of 600 wet and dry, what I'm going to do is sand, there we are, sand that area completely flat. Okay, so as I said, carefully just start to sand all the lumps and bumps out so it's perfectly flat. As you can see there, all the little bumps have all gone. So now what we need to do is try and polish the sheen back up. A little bit of a squirt with some water, and then we'll need to sand it back with some 600 wet and dry. Okay, all sanded up. And all ready to fit. So there we have it. Trim installed. Not sure where the damage was. It's completely removed. Now logically, obviously, if you are fitting a trim and it is damaged, what you would do then is just go and buy a new trim. But the purpose of me showing you this repair and this video is, what if the damage was in the middle of that window, where you wouldn't want to take that window out and it's impossible to replace that middle section. So you would have to do the repair what I've done. So that's the process, and it's quite a simple process of removing dinks and dents from uPVC windows and trims. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like, drop us a comment, and if we can help you, we will. And please subscribe to give us a little support. Also, please check out our other videos, as we've got quite a few out now. You may find something that might just help you out in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.